Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cognitive enhancement with a product that's generating quite the buzz. If you're a student looking to boost your focus, memory, and overall brain health, you're in for a treat. Introducing Friendly Nutrition's Nootropic Brain Supplements, the ultimate brain food for students. Packed with a powerful blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs. These capsules are designed to unleash your razor-sharp mind and help you tackle even the toughest academic challenges. What sets these brain supplements apart from the rest? It's all about the ingredients. With key components like choline, DMAE, phosphatidylserine, and bacopa. Each capsule is carefully formulated to provide you with the cognitive support you need to excel in your studies. Imagine saying goodbye to brain fog and hello to crystal clear focus. Whether you're cramming for exams or working on a big project, these brain booster capsules have got you covered. And here's the best part. These supplements are proudly made in the USA, in an FDA-registered facility that adheres to strict GMP standards. So you can trust that you're getting a product that's not only effective but also safe and reliable. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the results they've seen with Friendly Nutrition's Nootropic Brain Supplements. From increased focus to improved memory, the feedback speaks for itself. Ready to take your cognitive performance to the next level? Head over to Amazon.com and grab your bottle of Friendly Nutrition's Nootropic Brain Supplements today. With free shipping on qualified orders, there's never been a better time to invest in your brain health. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insightful product recommendations. Until next time, stay sharp.